Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about this amazing Django based facial recognition system, right, which a company can use for detecting the employees' faces. How the system works and what all things a user can do on this platform, that's what I will be showing to you practically in this video. So stay tuned with me and let's dive into the tutorial without wasting any more time. So as you can see on the home page, there are a couple of options that we can use. Now I would like to register a profile under my name on this platform, and the best way we can do it is by using this add employee button. Here I would like to key in an ID using which I can register my profile. So I'm going to register it with Gaurav Jan, and let's say so I've successfully registered a profile. Okay, now let's add some photographs. How to do that? We have to come on add photos option, and then here we have to key in that ID with which we just created our profile. So this is the ID 12231. Okay, and the moment I'll click this name over here, right, what is going to happen? My device's camera will turn on. Okay, let me show it to you, and then I will have to take some photographs of mine. Fine, so I'll show you the terminal first. Okay, directory Gaurav Jain created. So the application has created a directory with the name Gaurav Jain, in which it will store all the pictures which I will click by hitting this space bar buttons like this. So I'm going to click some photographs now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I'm done with clicking 13 photographs, and let me see if the photographs are there. Yeah, so as you can see, we have clicked 13 photographs, and yes, it shows 13 over here. Okay, and now coming back to the home page, we have this button called train model. So there is a KNN classifier algorithm which is there in the backend. Now we'll have to retrain the algorithm, right, so that it can take into consideration the newly clicked photographs also. So let me click on train model. So let me click on train model and let's see what is happening in the backend. So as you can see, it says training KNN classifier. So basically what is happening right now, there are number of people who have created their profiles on the platform, right, and there is this profile which I just created in front of you guys. Okay, so there are 13 photographs in this folder, there are some photographs in this folder. Similarly, there are 5 to 10 for pictures in each of these folders. So now what this algorithm is doing, it will go through all the photographs, and it will take into consideration all the data sets that have been created, that are there in the database, and then it will train itself, right, based on those pictures. It will find the faces in those pictures, it will take a note of all the faces, and then finally, based on the training, it will be able to detect the faces correctly. So how it happens, how the detection happens, that's what I will show you once this training gets completed. Part have got successfully completed, as you can see. Right, now let's come back on the portal and let's check out this identify faces. So what will happen, the camera of the device will again turn on, and yes, it's able to detect my face, and as you can see, my name is also coming inside the rectangular red box. Right, so this is how this application works. Basically, This detection is happening by that KNN algorithm which has been trained on the data set present in the database. Okay, so I'm going to quickly press Q for closing the box, and now let's come on the last option, which is detected faces. So whatever faces the system has detected, it will show us in this panel. So as you can see, it detected the face of Gaurav Jain at 4:28 p.m. on April 28, 2024. Right. So the this is how the application works, right? And it's completely a pure product of facial recognition. If you want to develop such kind of applications, you'll have to learn libraries which involves facial detection, like media pipe is there, face recognition library is there. How you can integrate those libraries with frameworks like Django and Flask, that is also something which you will have to learn. And if you want me to help you guys out in building the application, then you can let me know on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. This is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys liked it. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.